Good day, happy travelers. Vacation travel hacks here with another video about Disney resort dining. If you stayed at a resort, maybe All-Star Sports or Caribbean Beach or somewhere else, you probably ate quick service or ate at your resort or perhaps even ate at a Disney park. I'm here to expand your palate, your taste buds, and show you the other options that exist at other resorts that might be worth your time, and perhaps more importantly, show you how to get there. So let's talk about Ohana. Ohana breakfast is from 7:30 a.m. to noon, and I'm going to show you the menu on the next page. Dinner is from 3:30 to 10. That'll be another video entirely. Two different experiences, both are worth your while. So let's hop into what they have for the menu, and the menu is all you care to enjoy. The price is at the top. And so what happens is you sit down, they bring you some juice, they bring you some bread, and then some skillets of fruit come out, and it's all this stuff that's listed here. If you're a plant-based enjoyer, congratulations. Those items down at the bottom are for you. So you sit there, and the theming is fantastic. You might have a view of the Magic Kingdom and the water in front of it. The food is, well, listen, the Hawaiian ham with pineapple is great. The scrambled eggs, pork, the waffles, that other stuff is, you can get that pretty much anywhere, but it's the experience. If I remember correctly, they had yes, they did, because we got pictures. They have Lilo and Stitch running around. So that, and they have like Polynesian decor. So great experience, certainly worth it's a bit of a change of pace. And tell you what, if you're going to the Magic Kingdom anyway, you could say that it's on your way. So let's talk about how to get there. Polynesian, if you're not familiar, is on the Magic Kingdom resort area. It's on the monorail. And to get there, if you're at any resort, think Animal Kingdom, Saratoga Springs, pretty much anywhere not Magic Kingdom, you would take a bus to the Magic Kingdom and then get on the resort monorail. Remember, there's two monorails. One, the resort goes to the resorts, and then there's the express that only goes Magic Kingdom and the TTC, the Ticketing and Transportation Center. So if you get on the wrong one, you're going to go by the Polynesian, and that's exciting, but you're not going to go to the Polynesian. I suppose if you end up on the express, you could walk on the path there to get there. You know what? That could work. Nothing's not doable. But otherwise, the express one, you can get to stop, through the Grand Floridian. I'm pretty sure I have the flow right. I thought it was counterclockwise because, well, anyway, this is how I would get there. Now, if you're at Wilderness and Lodge and Fort Wilderness, you could take a boat if the boats are running, and the boat will take you to the Magic Kingdom, and then you could take the monorail over. I'm also told that there is a boat that goes from the Polynesian to the Magic Kingdom. I have not done that boat. So if it's running, sometimes for fog, they won't run. Sometimes for maintenance and repair, it might not run. So, just take a look. Otherwise, we get there. You could drive there also. Show the security guard your ID, possibly a screenshot of the reservation. And these resorts, they tend to be really want you to stay there for only 3 hours, because a lot of people said, hey, if I'm eating, I don't have to pay for parking, and then I can go to the resort. You know how we play here at Vacation Travel Hacks, risk and reward. The reward is you got to not pay for parking. The risk is, after a nice long day at the Magic Kingdom, you go there and your car ain't there, and you have to work through the logistics of finding out where they towed your car to. So you get to choose. I'm telling you not to park there, but there's people in the world that are like, hey, I'm up for a challenge, and that will probably be somebody else's channel on how to get your car back. Maybe I'll make a video about that. So anyway, that is the Polynesian Resort for breakfast. That is the food. We covered the price and how to get there, and I hope to see you on another video where I cover other dining experiences at Disney resorts. Stay safe, team.